Once upon a time, in a lush, green forest, lived a plump and contented pig named Wilbur. One sunny day, as Wilbur was happily rooting for food, he stumbled upon a small, shiny acorn. Wilbur picked up the acorn and examined it closely. He remembered a wise old owl once telling him that acorns could grow into mighty oak trees. A thought suddenly struck Wilbur. If he planted this acorn, someday it could provide him with a constant supply of acorns and shade. But Wilbur was a pig, and pigs are not known for their patience. He was eager to sow the acorn immediately and enjoy the fruits of his labor right away. However, he found that the ground was too hard to dig. The next day, Wilbur woke up early. He was determined to plant the acorn. But again, he found the ground too hard. This continued for several days, and each day, Wilbur grew more disappointed. One day, Wilbur met his friend, a tortoise named Tommy. Tommy noticed Wilbur's sad face and asked what was wrong. Wilbur shared his frustration about the hard ground and his inability to plant the acorn. Tommy, being wise beyond his years, suggested, "Why don't you wait for the rain, Wilbur? The rain will soften the ground, making it easier for you to plant the acorn." Wilbur thought it was a good idea. He decided to wait. And as predicted, the rain came, softening the ground. Wilbur quickly planted the acorn and waited patiently for it to grow. Months passed, and nothing seemed to happen. Wilbur began to lose hope. But one day, he noticed a tiny sprout pushing through the soil. As days turned into weeks, and weeks into months, the little sprout grew into a strong, healthy oak tree. Wilbur was overjoyed. He had a beautiful oak tree, providing him with countless acorns and a cool, shady retreat from the sun. Wilbur learned a valuable lesson that day. Sometimes, patience leads to beautiful outcomes. And so, Wilbur the pig became a symbol of patience in the forest. Every time a young pig came across an acorn, Wilbur would remind them, "Plant the acorn, but be patient. The rain will come, and your oak tree will grow." The moral of the story: patience often leads to beautiful outcomes. Don't rush through life, take your time, and watch your dreams grow.